Haier instant electric water heater. Nylon fiber tank improving durability. Bubble elimination technology extends service life, eliminates security risks. Dual color heating light for visual heating indication. Hall flow sensor, precise temperature control. Safeguard your whole family. Due to the stepless frequency technology, can find the temperature most suitable for you by adjusting the knob. Splash-Proof IP25 patented shock-proof technology, safe as unplugged. Rain spray, indulge in the refreshing shower anytime with the fully rain-like thrill of nature experience. There are more options to choose from.